Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where we talk about skincare, grooming and sometimes hair, so that sounds like your thing. Make sure you are subscribed. Also, come and follow me on Instagram where I post a lot of stuff you're not going to see here on YouTube. It's that time of the year again where I've teamed up with Wishtrend to create a box of some of my favourite products, some of my favourite K-beauty products for a discounted rate. This box is called James Welsh's Current K-Beauty Favourites, and these are some of my favourite products, even iconic status products for me, from Wishtrend.com. These are 5 full-size products that you get a 44% discount on. This is going to cost you $75.88 for 5 full-size products. And you also get some free gifts, which we'll go into at the end. So as I mentioned, the theme of this box is my current favourite K-Beauty products. There are actually three products in here. Oh, that's more than half of the box that are current favorites and kind of just general K-beauty favorites. Whether you're new to K-beauty or you love K-beauty, you need to know these products, or you definitely know about these products. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Klairs Daily Skin Hydrating Water. This is a toner that's very, very hydrating, and like all the products, cruelty-free. So this toner contains 45% green tea water, which is extremely calming on the skin. And this is obviously like a new bottle from the box, but this is, you can see it over there. This is my current favorite toner because it's just kind of like what you want from a toner: soothing, hydrating properties. And you guys also know that I kind of like to do my whole skincare routine on a damp, wet face. So when I come out the shower, either I leave it completely wet, then start to apply my products, but pretty much all the time I will do a sweep of this water. First of all, I do feel like it's nice to double check that you've got all that cleanser off your face from the shower. You can sometimes get like suds all around your hairline and in your beard if you have facial hair. So it's nice to go with a cotton pad and just wipe around. And then I just do a splash of this over the skin to prep my skin for the rest of the routine. It's a very limited ingredient list actually, and it really does just feel like water. So it is a really hydrating toner, but it's not heavy on the skin. So for me, it's a perfect toner going into the warmer weather. I use this every day, all the time. Their green one's good as well. I forgot what that's called. It's over there. Do I have to go get it? No, I'll put a picture of it here. I also like that one, but for some reason this one I've just been using non-stop. What I also like to do with this, you can see, I don't know if you can see, I've got a fair bit of irritation on my forehead at the moment, just all these like little and here and here. I use a product that didn't really agree with me. So what I do like to do is soak a cotton pad in this, then just pop it on the forehead or wherever that irritation is, and just leave it kind of calm and soothe, which this does amazingly. So yeah, I really like this. Will last you forever as well. It's absolutely huge. So yeah, love that. Oh, here's a new one. So I have been asked a lot about this product. In fact, this whole range. This is the Fig Cleansing Balm from I'm From. You guys know I love the I'm From Rice Toner, which isn't in this box. It's been in every other box, but I feel like everyone has it by now. If you don't have it, go get it. It's really, really great. I have to be honest, I feel like the essence from this line was like a little bit disappointing. For me, it served no real purpose. But this cleansing balm has to be one of the standout products for me, not only from I'm From, but from the Wishtrend website. It is one of their only cleansing balms, I think. But this is everything I love about a cleansing balm. It melts on the skin. It melts in the palms of your hand very, very quickly. It just sweeps over your skin. It glides, so you can give yourself a nice kind of like gentle massage on the skin without any tug, which not all cleansing balms do that, but I do find that cleansing balms, they tend to like disappear off the skin, almost like you've rubbed them in too much kind of thing. This doesn't do that. This stays nicely on the skin. This is also quite fragranced, and I don't mind that in a wash off step, especially in a cleansing balm. And I have to be honest, that's kind of where I do like a fragrance, is in this like sensorial moment where you are trying to relax, you are trying to treat yourself to a little bit of something on the face. I love the scent of this. It's not too, oh god, it's not I don't know what fig smells like. It's not that. It's a very light, I don't know. It's got like this like kind of like warmth to it, but it's not overbearingly smelly. It's just nice and relaxing and soothing and comforting as well. It sounds weird. It's just a cleansing balm, but it's really, really good. This contains fig oil and fig water, which is your main like cleansing agents in there. But I've just been really enjoying this. It's a huge tub as well. And yeah, I just feel like I'm From, when they create a good product, they create a really, really good product. And yeah, this is quickly becoming one of my favorite cleansing balms. Just the whole overall experience, from texture to smell to the actual effect of gently but effectively wiping away those layers and layers of sunscreen. This just does the job perfectly all throughout. Oh, so next up we have the Klairs Fundamental Watery Oil Drops. This was in my last box and I've put it back in because this is by far one of the most popular products I've ever put in a box. When people received their boxes, after a while they were tagging me non-stop saying how much they love this product. We all know I like well-hydrated skin. I feel like well-hydrated skin is a sign of healthy skin. It looks nice on the outside too. And that's what the Fundamental line is all about. But despite the name, like watery oil drops, it's not oily at all. It doesn't have like a thick consistency to it that makes you feel like you're suffocating. I don't really like oils. It's just like, you can see it's like a very watery serum, hence the name watery oil. It leaves you with this really nice glowy complexion without looking greasy. It's enriched with green tea water, so again, it's full of antioxidants. It's very soothing on the skin. It can help reduce the appearance of pores as well as regulating sebum production. So again, despite the name oil, it doesn't feel oily on your skin. I'm very oily, we know that, especially in my T-zone. This can sit on my skin the whole day without making me feel like congested and seeping in product. This is one of the products, if you're not going to buy the box, this is a product I would recommend you try, because I feel like it's just a step everyone can benefit from. If you do feel dehydrated, if you feel like your skin is lacking a glow, this is going to help with that. You also have bifida fermented extract in here. That's going to help brighten the skin. It's usually an ingredient I look for in my essences for that brightening effect. And then some humectants. It's very, very good. I like this a lot. Now time for an iconic product that I use all the time. This has become like the Vaseline or the pseudo cream of my K-beauty stash. If I don't have this in my cupboard, in my stash, I feel a little bit uncomfortable. And I feel like it's a product I always need to reach for in the case of irritated skin. This is the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. I feel like this is an iconic K-beauty product, and as I said, one that I'm always gonna own. The calming cream, hence the name, is calming for your skin. It feels instantly soothing on the skin. It's a little bit of a thicker product, but with the hotter weather coming up now, I will be using this on areas where maybe the sun's hit my skin a little bit too much. My skin sometimes does react to too much sunscreen, so once I wash that off, I sometimes get a little bit of irritation. Trying new skincare, this is where this comes in handy. Plucking my eyebrows, removing hair, any irritation, this goes on there. You can use this as a moisturizer. It is on the thicker side. In the winter, it literally goes everywhere at night. In the summer, it's more of like a direct area treatment. So for redness on my cheeks, areas of irritation, especially on the forehead at the moment, this will be good for. You can leave it like a moisturizer and keep it there overnight throughout the day, or you can use it as like a mask for 20 minutes, then wipe away if you just really want to reduce that redness. So this has guazzolane in, which is an extract of chamomile oil. Did I say? Yeah. And also centella, both known for their amazing soothing properties and for that blue, signature blue colour in there. It's obviously hydrating as well, but there's just so many things like I use this for. I'm just trying to think of all of them, like product irritation. I get redness and bumpiness after I've removed hair, so I put it on the area for 5 to 10 minutes, then wipe away. What else do I do it for? Any scratches that my dog's given me, my puppy, when we be playing a little bit too full on. For me, it's just an all-rounder that I have to have lying around. And to finish off, you know I have to finish off with a sunscreen. It would be irresponsible if I didn't include a sunscreen in this box. This is the Klairs Soft Airy UV Essence. About 2 months ago, I thought I was having a reaction to this, and it was about to ruin my life, because this is one of the nicest sunscreens to apply to your skin. Luckily, it was a new active I was trying out and my skin just didn't like it at all. So this is perfect for all skin types, especially oily skin. This is one of those products that has, it's like a sunscreen with moisturizing properties. So I, in the summer, completely skip my moisturizer and I go for this sunscreen. It has this water-based gel type texture, so it goes on super, super light, and it doesn't, what's the word, like as you reapply it throughout the day, even every 2 hours if you're out in the sun, this doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't build up, it's non-greasy, it doesn't leave that white casting skin, obviously because it is a broad spectrum chemical sunscreen. There are some essential oils in this right down at the end. Oh, it's SPF 50 plus PA 4 pluses, so it's like the top that you can get. There are some essential oils in here. It's right down at the bottom. This honestly hasn't bothered my skin. I've probably been using this for about over a year now. Just under 2 years. I've had it forever. And I'm someone who, I don't like 100% avoid essential oils, but I do try to actively not use them as well. But so it just doesn't bother me. This has never bothered me. No issue with it. One of the best sunscreens. If you type into YouTube best sunscreens, this is going to come up. But this is a typical example of a Korean sunscreen that I plead people to use, because it's just got the exact opposite texture, smell, consistency on the skin that you would expect from a sunscreen. If you're anywhere else in the world, this is one of the better sunscreens to go for, 100%. Let's talk about the free gifts. So this box comes with a limited edition free gift for the first 50 people to purchase a box. And it's the Klairs Eco Kit. Where is it? It's cute. Where is it? In this kit, you get a little handkerchief and a water bottle bag as well, which is super cute if you're like me, you're a dog owner. A little towel handkerchiefy thing comes in handy when you have a mucky puppy. And the water bottle holder is perfect, especially as we're going into hotter weather. Wishtrend have always been cruelty-free. They've just posted an amazing video all about their stance on cruelty-free beauty, how they test their own products on humans, and get some cute little stickers as well. Once those 50 have sold out, everyone from then on will be getting 10 samples each of the Klairs Fundamental Eye Awakening Gel. This is a gel moisturizer. This is a moisturizing eye cream that's in like a gel-like texture. If you watch my videos, the one where me and Kelly had a little chat about eye creams, you know that this is one of the only eye creams I use. It's nice. It makes the area around your eyes look a lot more awakened, hence the name. It's got this instant cooling sensation. So yeah, I love this. Try the samples, you'll love it. And then you have the Klairs Fundamental Nourishing Eye Butter. This is a thicker under eye cream that I've never used before. I've got it sitting in the drawer, but this was actually Kelly's favorite. This actually has some amazing ingredients in, like copper peptides, vitamin A and E, and it's supposedly a richer texture without being greasy and oily. Sometimes you can overdo it under the eyes, right? But this is supposed to be nourishing and not heavy. So there we have it. That is this year's box in my collaboration with Wishtrend. I just want to let you know that obviously it's a bit of an odd time at the moment. Not everybody's working, not everybody can afford to buy new skincare. Simply put, don't. There's absolutely no need to rush out and get this box. Hopefully, I'd be doing more collaborations with Wishtrend when everything goes back to normal. You are getting a greatly discounted selection of skincare here. So if you are wanting to buy something new and you want to save a little bit of money, here we go. But yes, there will always be another time and another chance to get your hands on a bargain. But of course, I will link everything down below. Of course, Wishtrend ship worldwide, but in order to get free shipping, you'll have to use the code COMEHERE. So that's for everybody when you go to purchase this box. Of course, all details will be in the description box down below. The link will be a pinned comment. Let me know what you think about these products. And if you're not going to get the box, let me know if you want at least one of these if you haven't tried them before. These are all kind of iconic products, so the likelihood that you've already tried them is very high. But yes, if you do buy this box, I hope you enjoy it. In general, I hope everyone's staying well and safe and healthy. But that's it from me now, guys. I will see you next time. Really whispered then.